In this video, I'm going to show you a simple way to create a YouTube channel using ChatGPT. The first step is to go ahead and open ChatGPT and create a new chat that you're going to use for your YouTube channel only. That will help you to train it for your channel only. For this tutorial purpose, I am creating a Bible story with AI animation channel called Teach Me Bible. So I asked ChatGPT to write me a description and also prompts to generate images for the banner and profile picture. So as you can see, ChatGPT gave me the description and prompts I need for my channel. If you don't like the result you're getting, you can ask ChatGPT to edit for you. This is perfect for right now, so I'm gonna go ahead, copy the prompts and generate the image for the profile picture and banner. For generating images, you can use Microsoft Bing image generator. It's a free image generator. There is no credit needed. Or you can also use Leonardo AI. Once you're done with generating the image you need, you can go ahead and create the YouTube channel. To do that, type YouTube on your search bar and click on sign in. Sign in with your Gmail. Or if you already have another YouTube account, just click on setting. Scroll a little bit down and click on add or manage your channels. Click on create a channel. Enter the name of your channel and click on create channel. Then go to your new channel by switching to your account. To set up your channel, click on the top corner right here and view your channel. The next step is to customize your channel, so go ahead and click on customize channel. Click on continue. Now it's time to upload your banner image and profile picture. To get the exact image size for our banner and profile picture, we are going to use Canva. In Canva, search for YouTube banner and click on create a blank YouTube banner. Upload your images to Canva and drag the corner of the image to fit in. You can add elements and text. Once you're done, click on the top corner right here and download your image to the computer. Do the same for the YouTube profile picture. Now go back to YouTube Studio and upload your banner image. Here it shows that how it's going to look on all kind of devices. You can adjust it to your own liking. Click on done, and now we are going to do the same for the profile picture. Upload your profile picture and click on done once you are satisfied. You can publish your channel by clicking on publish right here, or you can wait until you finish setting up all the things. When you scroll a little bit down right here, you'll find the description box. ChatGPT already gave us the description, so we are going to copy all of the description and paste it right here. Once you have done all of that, click on publish right here. When you go to the channel, this is how it looks. To me, it looks fantastic, and I hope you find this step is very easy. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you a simple way to create a Bible story video with the help of ChatGPT. Let's go ahead and ask ChatGPT to write us a simple Bible story about Hosanna and Jesus in the temple, and prompt us for our image. Now we have the story and our prompts. Let's go ahead and create the images. I'm going to use Leonardo AI and Microsoft Bing for generating all the images. Now we are going to copy all the prompts one by one to create the images. Images generated in Microsoft Bing is not landscape, so we have to click on resize and select landscape. Now it's time to create the audio for our story. For the audio, we are going to use 11 Lab. Copy the story from ChatGPT and paste it to 11 Lab. Choose a voice you like for your story. You can adjust the stability right here. Finally, click on Generate Speech. If you're satisfied with the result, click on Download. Otherwise, you can choose another voice and regenerate. Now we are in the final step of creating the video. For that, we are going to use CapCut. Upload all images and audio to CapCut and add the audio to the timeline and listen to the story and add the images according to the story one by one. You can add animation to the images. If you feel like adding some scene to the story, you can do that. You can ask ChatGPT to give you prompts to generate image to add more scene to the story. You can add texts and audio from the library of CapCut. You can create outro for your video this way. Now, before you exporting it, go ahead in ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give you title and description for your video. That way you'll put the title in the title box in CapCut. That helps us to put the file name in your video. Now we're done with our video. Let's go ahead and do some more customization to our channel. Once you are in your channel, click on Customize Channel, click on Setting, and then Channel, and select Country of Residence. You can ask ChatGPT to give you keywords or add manually. Keywords may help for YouTube to recognize what's your channel about. Here in the advanced setting, you can put your channel made for kids or not. Here in the feature eligibility, if you verify your phone number, YouTube lets you use customized thumbnail and also live streaming, uploading video longer than 15 minutes. Once you're done with all of that, you can click on save. Now the channel is all set, so we can go to the next step, uploading our video. To do that, click on the top right corner, create, and then upload video. Add your title and description. You can copy the title and description from ChatGPT and paste it to the title and description box in YouTube. For the thumbnail, you can upload file if you've already verified your phone, or you can click on auto-generated and use the auto-generated thumbnail. The rest you can adjust it to your personal preference. You can also add an end screen and cards. Click on next on each section. In the visibility section, you can schedule it as public for later, or you can just make it public at the moment. Finally, click on publish or click on schedule. Lastly, if you want to create a short out of your video, you can just upload the video in CapCut, then change the aspect ratio to 9:16 and publish it to your YouTube as a short, the same video. As of today, recording this video, the channel got 5 subscribers. I uploaded 5 videos, including shorts. As you can see, shorts get more view than the video. So this is the end of our tutorial. I'm going to make another video showing you the progress that I make in this new channel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.